Hello loves and welcome back. So if you want to see how I achieved this cute little look for this festive season, stay tuned to this video. So we started off looking like this. Okay, my natural hair is so untamed, but it's looking so good after all the installs. Okay, we're taking a little break, so I thought let's do a little updo to give my edges a break. So initially I was gonna use this darling braid, okay, this normal extension for a simple ponytail. Then I thought, no, let's get a little bit creative. So we're also going to be using the Perfect Choice styling wax over here, gel wax. Okay, I usually use this, not all the time, but there are days when I just want like a proper mold, so I use that gel. You're also going to need your toothbrush and hair comb for gel purposes, which I use the blue rectangle comb, and a hairband. I actually used 2 hairbands for today's look, so make sure you have like enough. So I went off camera, put in some gel, and I ended up using eco style gel because my hair is so stubborn. Okay, I didn't blow dry it out properly, so we just used the eco for simplicity. We did go in with the Perfect Choice underneath, but then I ended up using eco gel to finalize the look, and I did a ponytail on top. And then we used this braid over here, this Aka 100% human hair, because I decided to switch up the look and do something different. Okay, so I was just merely cutting off the bands that were holding the hair to the packaging, and then we moved forward, guys. So basically I just removed that, and I literally then attached this to my main braid that I did on the top. So I undid the braid, undid it, and as you're undoing it, make sure you pay attention to not tangle the actual hair. Okay, my love, so do it in stages. We are not rushing. So from here, after detangling this hair piece, I then just sewed this onto my hair top. Okay, just take your time, make sure you don't rush or make a mistake. I did notice that at some point I did loop the actual hair braid, so I'm just going to warn you guys when you are doing this step to make sure you do avoid that. So just take your time to wrap it around, and then sew it down. That's what I did. I just completely wrapped around the whole braid and then sewed it down, but I did double it up, okay, so that I don't take all the time in the world to wrap it around my head, right? So we did that off camera, and then I came back with the attachment. Okay, I had already sewn it down, and now we're going to use my curling iron to curl the hairstyle. So over here I'm just going to section it in some bits. Ooh, child, the back, my natural hair is busy going natural on me, which I love, but I should have blow dried it properly so that it could hold better with the gel. So here I am just sectioning it in pieces. Okay, and from here I'm just gonna curl everything. I will say that curling this 100% human hair isn't the greatest because of the texture. It doesn't give off a beautiful finish, and also doesn't hold as well as my virgin hair. But I am not complaining because we're looking for budget-friendly hairstyles, because child, we are literally trying to spend 350 this whole December. Okay, we are only using 350 rand, child. So yes, this 100% human hair will definitely do, and we'll be able to switch up the look as well tomorrow morning and like change it. So that's when I like my synthetic hair attachments, because of the flexibility of me being able to mold it into different spaces. So we hold that in for a little bit, okay, because you wanted to curl the hair and for that to hold. If you want to use some holding spray, you guys are more than welcome to do so. I did not use holding spray in this particular look because this hairstyle we're literally just gonna wear for a couple of hours, and then I'm gonna undo it, then just straighten the hair for tomorrow's look. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's not curling like my virgin hair curls, but I think it looks cute. Okay, I really think it's gonna look cute. So I continued to basically just section my hair. There we go, and try to curl this attachment, so I tried to avoid doing it in big pieces, because then you wanted to actually curl the hair, not have like hair that's not properly curled. So I just continued, my darlings. I continued, and I love my curling rod because it has like, I think 5, like it's a 6-in-1. You can literally just change the the top part of the curling rod and just use a different size and different style one, which makes it so easy and so convenient. Okay, also for traveling purposes, absolutely love this. I think I should just get a second one as a backup, okay, when this one dies out, but it shouldn't. I have multiple wigs, multiple styles. I don't always curl, so this is gonna last me quite a bit, but I think as a business person you should have extra. So here I am going in, doing the long wait. Okay, so guys, when you are doing these hairstyles, you really need to be patient and just understand that sometimes you're just gonna have to wait it out. Okay, some things look good when they're finished, but it's the process that can be draining. So I basically just continued with this and continued to section. It does go pretty quickly because it's more hair to curl. So when we're done, you guys are gonna see that I'm gonna go through and then comb out the hair. So here I am, having curled out all of the hair. Okay, I think this looks cute, child. I just grabbed my brush and I tried to brush out the curls. I don't request this, but for this look I had to do this because the curls did not hold in so well for the synthetic hair. It does take away from the curl style, but here we are. This is my first time trialing this out. I wanted to do almost like you know, like a bow tie kind of bun, but because I had sewn my hair into a bun, there was nothing supporting the bun on the inside. So I'd advise that you leave your natural hair, you know, like out so that it can actually support the bun. Don't do what I did. Okay, I did struggle a little bit, so here I am going back and forth, trying to get it in position. And I will not lie, the first attempt was not the greatest, but we continued because, child, it's not always going to be perfect. Okay, so this was one of the hairstyles that did give me a bit of you know, a bit of work. Okay, I had to undo the first attempt and then retry it out because, child, I was having a tough time. Here I am trying to, you know, mount that hair. So if it has nothing supporting it on the inside, it's not going to stand as firmly. Hence, I'm going to tell you guys again, let your hair out. Don't do it into like a braid. Okay, don't plait it into a braid. So I did this and then I tried to section the top so that we could create the bottom. Okay, I cannot wait to retry this, and I think I'm going to use other hair because this is supposed to look beautiful. Okay, I think we're going to try again tomorrow, but really, please do not plait your hair into a braid. So I went off camera, came back again, and I tried, and I couldn't even use a donut. So this is what we're going to settle for. Okay, I'm going to try to see what I can do to create, you know, the heaped, you know, donut sized bun at the top. Okay, at this point I was already messing up my hair, but here are my pins. We're going to try pin this in. And also, pinning was a bit of work because I had such a build up on the base because I was sewing in the 100% human hair attachment. But definitely a girl never gives up. Okay, here we are going to try until we succeed. So here I am literally just pinning and trying to pin. Okay, it's been a while, child. It's been a while since I did this, but I was really anticipating this hairstyle. Okay, so there I am literally just trying to figure it out, trying to put it down, placing it properly. Okay, I think I did succeed. At some points I did struggle, okay, because of the actual band, the base of the actual hair. And there we are taking the second piece and we're gonna try to literally wrap that around. Okay, definitely need a second attempt at this, but I'm glad I actually tried it out. Okay, so this was not the initial hairstyle that we were gonna do, but a girl is trying here. I am trying to position this hair properly, and then I just decided, let me leave it on my right because that's where it's supposed to be. And we were basically just struggling a little bit, but we definitely just continued, which I'm thankful for because it's not always going to be perfect, but we're training for those days. I just always imagine myself, you know, going to a TV show, like having to style hair in under, I don't know, like 3-4 minutes, and this is me in my training. I know it's a crazy idea, right? But one day it will happen. So here I am going to pin the second one. Okay, the second piece of hair that are supposed to, you know, to take the opposite direction to build up that base. So our base definitely needs a cleanup. I don't know why this one was this clumsy, but definitely will retry this look on a different day. Okay, so then I just decided to settle and I pinned this down, but I was not happy with the actual bun itself. It does look a little bit clumsy, and I think we can do better next time. And we basically just continued because this hairstyle was defeating me. It's a simple hairstyle, but it definitely did defeat me. So here we are. I'll just recurl the front, okay, to give it up, give it that, that curl, that finishing off curl, not too much. So I decided, okay, we were defeated, but this was the look for today. I still think that we still kind of look cute. I went off camera, did some makeup, and over here we're just baking that concealer there. But I think the girl looks so cute, and we're rocking this matte lipstick from Fushini in the shade Rose, and this is your girl at the end, guys. This is the look for festive season. Okay, let's do a different bun. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, please subscribe, tell your other friends to tell their other friends to come check out what we have got. See you guys in my next video.